Hi everyone, my name is Angel Spinola and I am a digital marketing student, and we are here this week in Romania in
Târgu Jiu.
What?
Târgu Jiu.
Târgu Jiu.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Târgu Jiu. Right, got it. So we are here in Romania in Târgu Jiu, and we are on an international education program, and it's from Erasmus Plus, and the program's called Mind the Gap. So I hope you're ready for this, and let's go inside and meet everyone.
My name is Bogdan Bobei.
My name is Delia.
I'm Andrei.
Hi, my name is Andrei Cercini.
And my name is Nazif Faivazi.
I am Sami.
My name is Sil Rustemi.
Hi, my name is Sarsa Boucher.
My name is Yon Hassani.
My name is Jakub.
And I'm Tom.
My name is Andy.
My name is Isa.
My name is Rona.
My name is Afra.
My name is Naman Mirza.
Hi, my name is Henok.
My name is Ali Alta.
My name is Mohammed Ali.
My name is Bahir Sheikh.
We are from Romania, Târgu Jiu.
We come from North Macedonia.
I'm from Italy and basically I'm from Pakistan.
We are from the UK.
And we are here for the Erasmus project Mind the Gap.
Basically, Erasmus Plus, it's a great opportunity not only for youngsters, also for older people, for teachers, for parents, adults, day life people, and it brings you into international environment, and you can find out a lot of things. You can learn a lot of things about yourself and about the topic of the project, of course, through non-formal education, which is great because it's not something that you do in school. It can be something new for you, and also it's for free. You can travel for free, you can meet people for free. It's just a great opportunity for everyone. So the name of this project, it's Mind the Gap. Basically, the overall objective of this project is to facilitate the transition of the youngsters and also of the needs category, like the people that are not studying and neither having a job or a training, to go in the labor market. Basically, it's helping you to find out what do you want to do in your life. Everyone is gonna take a piece of paper, is gonna stick it on the back like this, and the other people are gonna come and write something about that person anonymously on their back. And after that, everyone is gonna read what the others think about itself, basically. That we did this week was for youngsters between 16 and 22, but because of Corona and because of war in Ukraine, we had to change that a little bit, so we extended the age limit to 28 years.
Alicia Tătărescu, adus de la Poiana Rovinari, perioada 2000-2002. Acest ansamblu arhitectural este compus din Cula sau Casa Tătărescu, Biserica Familiei cu gramul Sfântul Gheorghe,
The Church of the Family.
Casa Anton.
My best experience. We had so much fun. We did a great job that we came here, so we met different people from different nationalities and we had so much fun, and we're never going to forget this amazing experience.
Yes. So nice to meet you. I'm so glad.
I was scared since the beginning.
Shumë bukur.
I think this Erasmus opportunity for the young people was a great experience, and they really enjoyed. They had interaction with the participants from 4 different countries: Macedonia, Italy, UK and Romania. They worked together for 1 week actually on different trainings, and I think these kind of Erasmus opportunities should be an ongoing thing, and I'm quite sure all the young participants really enjoyed and learned a lot.
I got it from the call, the organization from Macedonia they made, and we asked the students to come with us here, and I think it's very good experience to talking with another countries for our jobs, for our mentalities, for our cultures.
Things you can learn about a lot of things through non-formal education, which is great. You can meet. Sorry, this nicotine is.
Okay.
No, okay. Let's do it again, please, because it.
For our mentalities, for our cultures, and.
I'm Tom.
We are from the UK.
We are here in Romania. Fucking hell.
Hello, my name is Bradford. I come from Bradford. Let's reload it.